In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate DocuSign. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflows or enhance the way you handle important documents, integrating DocuSign into your system can significantly improve efficiency and security. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of getting this setup underway. To begin, you should navigate to your main dashboard or homepage. Once you're there, look for the admin section. You'll find this typically in the upper corner of the interface, where many of your main settings reside. Clicking on Admin is like opening the door to the main hub of your DocuSign management tools, so it's an important first step. Once inside the admin area, you'll want to locate integrations. Integrations are the heart of connecting DocuSign with other systems you may be using, making them quite pivotal for broadening your document management capabilities. After you've found integrations, go ahead and select Connect. This action sets the stage for adding new integrations effectively. Now, with Connect open, the next move is to click on Add Configuration. This step is akin to setting up a new system or service that can talk to your existing DocuSign setup. You'll be presented with a list or selection of platforms and services with which you might want to integrate. Choosing a platform that fits your needs best is an essential move. Here, it helps to have a clear idea of which part of your workflow you'd like DocuSign to seamlessly integrate into. Whether it's a customer relationship management tool or an accounting application, picking the right integration will go a long way in optimizing your processes. Once you've selected where you want to integrate, follow any specific prompts to enable the connection. These prompts can vary depending on the service you're integrating with, but generally, they'll guide you through authorizing the connection and setting any necessary permissions. It's crucial to ensure that you have the correct access privileges to perform these actions. If you don't, you might need to liaise with a system administrator or someone with the appropriate permissions. Bear in mind that this integration step might require you to log in or provide specific authentication tokens, ensuring a secure link between DocuSign and the chosen platform. In wrapping up, remember that maintaining this integration is as important as setting it up. Regularly check for updates or potential changes in either service that might influence how your integrations function. Consistent oversight will help ensure that your document management stays both efficient and secure as your business or project evolves. Following these steps will help you successfully integrate DocuSign with other systems, enhancing your document workflows significantly. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out with any questions you might have as you start integrating.